Good morning. Hi guys, ang daily routine natin pagkatapos ng almusal, ito yung ano natin gagawin. Nagbandaw ako. Wait lang. So maglamos guys. Alam nyo kung anong ina-apply, ang cream na apply ko araw-araw guys. Ito guys, Solodent Whitening Cream. Tingnan nyo guys, dinamihan ko kaya sobrang dapat konti-konti lang i-apply nyo, ilalagay nyo. Tingnan nyo, dapat konti lang kasi ako dinamihan ko kaya ang ganda niya at ang lambot niya sa mukha. Dati hindi ganyan yung pagkakinis ng mukha ko, hindi ganyan kaputi yung mukha ko, lalo na pagka lalabas ko ng bahay. Ang sarap niya sa yung malambot siya, ang sarap sa feeling kasi hindi siya malakit sa mukha. Napaka-smooth lang siya. Ayan. May glutathione plus abutin hydrolyzed collagen siya. Kaya pwede siya pang kahit sa pang-araw, may SPF 15. Pwede siya kahit maarawan. Okay lang, carry lang 'yan. Kasi SPF 50 na siya. Tingnan nyo naman. Napakaganda guys. Yan.
Hit that with your mom? Yeah. Hit that. Up here, Mom. Go back up. Mom. Mom.
Ganun yun. Ang cute niya. Nakikita ko lang yan. Kaya tinry ko na mag-check out. Ayan siya, oh. Akala ko nga, ano lang, yung laruan-laruan. Oo nga, laruan lang siya, pero pwede siya gawa ng parang lampara sa gabi. Pag natutulog kayo, ito lang gagamitin nyo. Tingnan nyo naman, ang cute niya, guys. What will I do now? Your dad is not answering the call. I said tomorrow your dad coming home. Sleep na. Why? Why are you crying? Because
I miss my dad.
you really miss your dad?
Yes.
Your dad is in the work. He's busy now. He's driving a more car. Ay na. When your dad coming home, you go with your dad, okay?
Okay.
Huh? In the work, you wanna go in the work?
No, we that's home.
Okay, tomorrow your dad's coming home. Understand?
You think it's
She's not answering. What will I do? Ah. What will I do? See your teardrops. See your nose. You have already runny nose now. I told you don't be cry. Oh, dry your nose. Blow your nose. More. Sleep na. What time is now? Oh?
Don't time is now. It's when the time is now.
Now it's already 10 o'clock in the evening.
No, 10 at 4 evening. We see what an evening after all.
Blow your nose. More. Strong. Now you sleep now, okay? Understand? Maybe your dad tomorrow calling you. Why? Why should I do? Your dad's not answering the phone. Why do you miss your dad? Why? Tell me. Huh? Why do you miss your dad? Tell me.
I want to make the table.
Stop na. Sleep na. Time to sleep. Laying down. Laying down. Hak lang, mommy. Tomorrow, your dad coming. Okay? Okay.
Yeah.
It's so heavy.
Yeah.
Very big boy na.
Yeah.
Like that. Big belly.
Yeah.
Pesa, ano
Not so.
Not so.
Oh. Not so?
Yes. It's too high.
Calm down na.
Daddy.
like